Welcome back to Great Pun Resolutions. My name is Richard Cohen. Last time I asserted that not reacting, that pausing, is arguably the most important conflict resolution move. Now, how do you improve your ability to pause? Well, it turns out not very easily. To pause when we're upset and in conflict requires us to manage very powerful, involuntary impulses. You see, deep in our emotional brain, there are two almond-shaped masses of cells called the amygdala. One of the amygdala's main functions is to determine whether something in our environment constitutes a threat to our survival. Something like this. If the amygdala decides we are threatened, it initiates a cascade of physiological processes. It expands the bronchi so we can get more oxygen, reduces the blood flow to our thinking brain, and floods our system with adrenaline for quick action, all to prepare us to fight or to flee. This reaction is virtually instantaneous and largely out of our control, and it's that way by design. If our fate depended upon the slower, more deliberate parts of our brain, well...
Wow, that is a big cat. I've never been so close to one before. I wonder what I should do. I guess I could run or...
Let's just say it wouldn't have been pretty. Now, while that sensitivity is perfect for the jungle, and it's been essential to our success as a species, it's not a good fit for the office. The amygdala doesn't even distinguish between threats to our survival and threats to our career or our feelings or our identity. And it means that this meanie, or even a more benign presence like this woman, triggers similar reactions. The bottom line is when we have any sort of difficult conversation or conflict at work, we have to manage the inevitable fact that physiologically at least, we're going to be primed to fight or flee. And that, my friends, makes pausing difficult. Fortunately, although there are no quick fixes, there are things we can do to strengthen our pause muscle. Many of them involve getting our thinking brain back into the mix, and I promise to share them with you next time. Until then, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. Be well. If our fate depended on the slower, more deliberate parts of our brain,